Well, hello guys.
Welcome to Ponce De Leon Inlet, Florida.
Yes, we are here because that red thing right behind us is the lighthouse over here in the inlet. It's pretty cool. We've never been here. I don't know what to expect. You know, we do have our little mask in hand.
It is a little chilly today.
Oh yeah, that cold front moved in.
Yes. If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yes, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Because we do try to post Tuesdays and Thursdays, at least for the most part.
We are hope and praying, and thank you guys already for subscribing. We're trying to get monetized before the end of the year. So if you can please subscribe, share with your awesome family and friends.
Yes.
Don't forget to start a discussion in the comments with your fan bam.
Yeah. So this is a little bit different than the one in St. Augustine. It's kind of off the beaten trail. It's right there in Daytona Beach, guys.
Right off the beach.
Yeah. So it's just probably about 5 minutes south of Daytona Beach.
Yep.
So we're really excited, and we hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, so this building is the second assistant keeper's dwelling, and we are going to try to go inside. Door seems to be a little heavy. Wow. This place is pretty cool.
Your toys, your school supplies, your friends, and those are the shoes everywhere.
Well, that's cool. I don't know if you saw it, but these are the toys Amber was saying. Wow. Yeah, you can spend probably about an hour in here watching this, reading this stuff.
Each keeper's dwelling had a pantry. This was where the keeper's wife stored her cooking utensils, tins, jars, canned goods, bottles, food items, and cleaning supplies. For her convenience, the pantry was located next to the kitchen. And this still is to this day. So food bottles, milk and cream, spices, sauces, extracts.
Wow. Wow. They look like they would be on a ship. Most people know that Daytona is actually the Super Bowl of NASCAR driving. But look, they have a whole exhibit of different racing events that happen on the beach. It's pretty cool. Look at this stuff, guys. Like Amber keeps saying, I don't know if you guys heard, but there is a lot of reading to do here. They have even a whole thing about the African American heritage at the inlet.
They had about like women and like natives and all that stuff too, which is pretty cool.
So located over here is the principal keeper's dwelling, and it has a list of all the ones that own this place or lived in this place. And right across the way is a secondary, and then the lighthouse. This is really kind of cool. It's like kind of flashbacking back in time. That's cool. A dedication to Florida's first people. Just think, nothing has really changed.
That's the last on window screen.
That's crazy. Wow, that's cool. That's really cool. Shows like how it was being built and stuff. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but you can still hear the native singing.
Look at how big this bathroom is, you guys.
And they had running water.
Holy cow, this is nice. It's bigger than a lot of bathrooms we have now.
I know, bigger than actually ours.
I like that tub. You can see some of the stuff over on the shelf.
Oh yeah.
See?
This is really cool.
It's not unusual for homes to be without running water and indoor plumbing. The keeper's dwellings were fitted with a galvanized kitchen sink.
Think about this, okay?
Yeah.
So we lived in Italy. So in 1887, they're talking about how it was not unusual for places not to have water.
Yeah.
But in Roman times, they had flushing toilets and running water inside the house.
And pipes.
It's crazy. So we
We're
stepped
outside
backwards.
of the house in Pompeii, we saw it.
Yeah. And so we stepped back 800 years.
Look at what you're filming when you're
I'm
talking.
I was looking at Amber when I was recording. So this talks about the life-saving service, the breeches buoy. That's kind of cool.
Look at the emblem up there.
Oh, that's cool. Over here, they talk about the life-saving service.
These are both exhibits. It says lighthouses of the world. So you can touch it and see all the different lighthouses.
Oh, that's cool.
That would have been cool to see.
Alright, so the United States Airways Division. This is pretty cool. I think nowadays if we saw our pilot wearing that when we get on the plane, I couldn't take him seriously.
We saw our pilot wearing that,
Yeah.
but everybody wears the aviator glasses now.
Oh, that's true.
So, I mean, it would probably be the cap that you're like, But depends though too, because you have Dapper Day at Disney.
Right. So in another building right next to the primary and the secondary, and then right here by the lighthouse. Oh, it kind of reminds me of that house that we went to.
Oh yeah. They said that what it might have been decorated, but it says there's only 2 bedrooms in this house and there are no closets. Where did their family store their clothes and linens? A front door on a modern bedroom would be unusual. Can you imagine some reasons why the keepers' homes were designed this way? So they can get in and out.
Yeah.
Right?
I would think so, because the fire was always a main thing. Here's a second bedroom right here with a little doll. That's kind of cool. And over here, looks like it might be the living room.
And the kitchen is over there. That's cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, so we're going into the lighthouse. It's probably going to be very echoey and loud, so we apologize in advance. But look at these steps. Holy crap.
And that's 75 feet high. It took 3 years.
You might just have to watch your phone or something.
Well, the light can be seen 17 to 20 nautical miles.
Alright, ready, I'm gonna start.
That's crazy. Pretty crazy. Yeah. So, before you climb, climbers must be in good physical shape. No running, dropping, or stomping. And all kids must be accompanied with an adult. So we're halfway up.
We need a little break. Look how high we are, though.
You feel that far away. And it echoes, everybody. Look at this view, guys.
Is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know.
We got one more flight to go. And this is a look from the other side. It's really nice. And the last look. So this is the steepest of them all. It is, when I say steep, I mean steep. Wow. This is crazy. This is stupid. It is pretty though.
Why is it windy?
So is St. Augustine scarier?
Yeah. It's windy though. I'm a little scared.
Guys, this is... So this is all one way. Yeah. There's our car. We're almost there. We're almost there. We made it back. But this view though, this view is pretty freaking amazing, guys. And the view looking down. If you are afraid of heights, this is not good for you. Holy cow. So what's nice is, on the way down you have gravity helping you out, but on the other side of it is that you have these little landings that allow you to stop and catch your breath a little bit. It's pretty nice. And you have Amber 2 flights down. Amber. She looks so small. We made it. There's Amber already waiting for us. She ran down the stairs.
I think it was more scary coming down than going up. Because like going up, you at least had some like stabilization compared to coming down. So that's why I just kind of went fast. I was like, I'm almost there, I'm almost there. But I don't know if I was. And I finally got to the last step and I was like, my knees were like...
Oh, my knees were shaking the whole way down.
I was like, I think we're there.
So how'd you like being up top?
It was a little scary, especially with the wind.
Oof. I'm so weak.
Like
in the
walking
knees.
all the way around, you're like, when's the circle gonna end? It was fun though. It was different. It was cool.
I'm so weak in the knees.
Yeah, no, me too.
So we're gonna go to St. Augustine after this.
Oh.
No, that place is actually documented on it.
This felt a little different though.
Yeah.
like going up there, it felt a little different. Like someone was there,
Yeah.
like guiding you through, but like you didn't feel pushed, but you felt rushed. So I don't know.
Yeah. And it's hard to maintain social distancing too, because you have to like peek over to
They
make
have
sure.
a shower curtain, which is like a rod, but
Yeah.
at the same time, going up those steps and stuff is just like.
Well, and then you have to peek over to make sure no one's coming down. Then you have to go down and try to be halfway
Yeah.
through. But it is what it is.
Let's go see what the other buildings are.
Yeah, we'll go straight ahead. And here's the oil storage house. Wow.
Oh, this is cool. They have like channel markers, range lights, day boards.
That's cool.
The only reason I know what these are is because they're signs.
Yes. Well, you know, the funny thing is, so when we were at St. Augustine, they told us that they would have a bucket of lard and they would have to run it all the way up there. And if it wasn't hot enough to maintain, they had to come all the way back down to heat it up again, to run it all the way back up.
Imagine that being your work. Like, would you rather drive 45 minutes to an hour than go all those quite up the stairs?
Could you imagine how thick these guys' legs are and how in shape they were?
Well, they wear pants.
Yeah, and a wool suit. Oof.
Imagine that.
So this is called the Bronze Bell. It's a 1,000-pounder. It was salvaged from a sunken sea buoy in Charleston Harbor. In 1984, as part of their preparations to construct the lighthouse, they established a tramway to carry their supplies to the tower. So I don't think we can go inside here. But this is a nice building too.
Yeah.
And then over here we have the Cuban refugee rafts. These guys are so desperate to come to America, guys, that they just fashion whatever they can together. That's crazy. Kind of like the one at the fort in Key West. It's crazy. Look at this one, guys. Could you imagine just sitting in that net in shark-infested water, trying to make it to America in hopes for a better life? That's crazy.
That's insane that made it.
Yeah. Well, that's it, guys.
There. Now you can see the lighthouse.
I know the sun's hitting like right this way, so it's kind of hard to see. But the lighthouse, was it kind of a beast to walk up? 175 feet?
Yeah. Walking down was way easier than walking up. Heads up.
Yes. They do have little spots that you can kind of relax and catch your breath.
Yeah.
But just keep in mind that there's a lot of people. There's a lot of traffic. But it is loud, echoey. So be mindful of that.
It was really cool. A lot of the restoration stuff was done, and just like to see, like it's a different experience if you want to get away, but then also be kind of close to the beach, or like drive out of Orlando area.
Yeah. You know, it's only an hour away from Orlando, so
yeah.
But it's not so bad. Because of COVID-19, you do have to wear a mask everywhere, even outside. But there's no one really enforcing it. So
there's signs everywhere to say social distance, so just keep mindful of that at different parties.
But some of the exhibits are closed, but this is pretty cool.
Yeah, I would recommend it. Definitely come here. It wasn't expensive at all for both of us. $13.
Yeah. But guys, if you made this far, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so, please leave a comment.
Yeah, start a discussion with your fan bam down in the comments.
Yeah.
Also, we're trying to get monetized, so please help us out either by sharing with your family and friends. Hopefully they like us.
Yeah. Because, I mean, we like us and we like you guys, so
we love you guys. You're our fan bam.
Well, thank you guys so much for making it this far, and we definitely will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.